Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna create an Azure Kubernetes cluster and I'm gonna deploy an application in that. It's just a brief video how to create a Kubernetes cluster. So this is the latest video I'm creating because I can see all are outdated right now. So let's go to Azure portal and search for Kubernetes. And you can see Kubernetes services here. Click on Kubernetes services and then click on create. Choose create a Kubernetes cluster and then okay, I'm using pay as you go subscription. I do not have any resource groups right now, so I'm going to create a new resource group AKS Archie, and here okay, under the cluster preset configuration in the latest updates of AKS, here we have production standard, dev test, production economy, production enterprise. Based on our requirement, we have to choose the cluster preset configuration, but I'm creating it for learning purpose, so I'm choosing the dev or test environment and I'm giving the cluster name, Kubernetes cluster name as cluster 1. Let's see if it's taking, yeah. And I'm leaving the other details as default. This one we can disable, actually we are not doing anything, right? Just for learning purpose. Automatic upgrade I am disabling. Authentication and authorization method, we have multiple ways, but right now I'm not going to touch that. And next, go to node pools. By default it will create a node pool, and actually we can choose the node size here, like the VM size. This is for our agent. I'm choosing the least price one. Okay, this least price one. Update. And then virtual nodes. Okay, let's go to networking. I'm leaving everything as default for now. Integrations, everything I'm leaving as default. Now go to review and create. Once the validation is successful, we can create our just a second. Let's see if we can enable insights. Let's see where I can find that. Okay, we can choose our own DNS name here, but I'm not gonna choose it now. Yeah, I'm gonna enable container logs for now, and yeah, we even create. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna create it. This might take a few minutes. So our cluster got created. Let's go to the resource. This is our AKS cluster. I have created cluster 1 in AKS Archie. If you can see, we can find all the node pools, cluster configuration, networking, insights, metrics, and all the other things here. So what I'll do is, let's go to our Azure Cloud Shell, and let's connect to the Kubernetes.